morning, students. Now we are talking about chapter 3, atoms and molecules. And the topic is running formulae of simple compounds. Some of the questions are given and we are solving the question answer. Already we have solved one question from page number 39 of NCERT book. Question number 2 is given in your book. Write down the names of compounds represented by the following formulae. फर्स्ट दिया गया है Al2SO4 का होल थ्राइस. Name of this compound is aluminium sulfate. सेकेंड दिया गया है CaCl2. Name of this compound is calcium chloride. थर्ड दिया गया है K2SO4. K2SO4. And name of this compound is potassium sulfate. नेक्स्ट दिया गया हुआ है फोर्थ KNO3 and the name of this compound is potassium nitrate. And fifth one CaCO3. CaCO3, the name of this compound is calcium carbonate. I think so there will be no problem at all to express the names of the compounds, because I have already told you how the names are expressed for given formula. Positive part is expressed first, such as Al, calcium, potassium and calcium, and their negative part are then at last. What is meant by the term chemical formula? Question number 3 of such page. What do you mean by chemical formula? The formula of any chemical in which all the atoms or ions are expressed with their balanced ratio is called as chemical formula. Such as chemical formula of common salt is NaCl. Chemical formula common salt. Of common salt is NaCl. Chemical formula of ammonia is NH3, etc. These are the chemical formulas. And this is the name of chemical. Name of chemicals. Next question. How many atoms are present in, दो पार्ट दिया गया H2S मॉलिक्यूल और PO4 3. क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है फोर्थ वन इस पेज का. हाउ मेनी एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन H2S और सेकेंड दिया है इसी में PO4 3 माइनस. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट था, ये सेकेंड पार्ट है PO4 3 minus. Two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of sulfur is used to make formula H2S. Formula of hydrogen sulfide. Answer will be 2 atom of H and 1 atom of S. That is number of atom is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Any problem? Similarly in PO4 second part, one atom of P, one atom of P atom P and 4 atoms of oxygen. That is number of atom is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. These are the question answers I have already solved today. Now the next topic is molecular mass and mole concept. Next topic is molecular mass and mole concept. Molecular mass. कंसेप्ट को क्लियर समझ लें. मॉलिक्यूलर मास की डेफिनेशन क्या है? सम का मतलब योग होता है जोड़. सम ऑफ नंबर sum of atomic numbers atomic mass, sum of atomic masses of all constituent atoms taken in the formation of chemical molecule is known as molecular mass. For example, molecular mass of water For example, molecular mass of water. Mass of H2O. Then the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and 2 hydrogen atoms are attached in it. So molecular mass of H2O will be 1 plus 1 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16 plus 16 is equal to 18 unit or atomic mass unit also. ये U लिखिए या AMU लिखिए, both are the same thing. इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में U लिखा जाता है, यूनिट लिखा जाता है. तो इसी प्रकार से हाइड्रोजन की बात करेंगे ऑक्सीजन के साथ. ये देखिए 18 आ गया. HNO3 की बात भी आपसे क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है. ये HNO3 का मॉलिक्यूलर मास कितना होगा, तो आप वहां पर देखिए, इस कंसेप्ट को याद रखिए. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल HNO3. HNO3 क्या है, इसमें एक हाइड्रोजन है, इसका मॉलिक्यूलर मास निकालना है. 1 एटॉमिक मास हाइड्रोजन का होता है, नाइट्रोजन का 14 होता है, ऑक्सीजन कितने हैं 3, और ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक मास होता है 16. 16 इंटू 3 अब इंक्लूड कर लीजिए. इसी को हम 48 भी लिख सकते थे. 48 and 1 49 and 14 63. The sum of atomic masses of the elements used in the molecular formula are is called as a molecular mass. It is the molecular mass of HNO3. Molecular mass of HNO3. Molecular mass of HNO3 is equal to 63 unit. Any question, any problem? As I think so, there will be no problem. All the concept will be clear. And we should meet next day with the next concept, that is the formula unit mass. Next day. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.